Thanks, Mr. Wallister. I agree though, sir. The clients, I believe, were really impressed. I think they will definitely invest. Okay, we'll talk more tomorrow. Bye. Yes! My point of view, I got a new attitude.
Party up like bull cup. Party up like bull cup. One month a share of my jeans them whole. Raving healthy we vibe down up. Say party.
Deal with this rationally. Children, please get out here now.
Nah, go. No, you go. No.
Junior and Keisha, una don't hear me. I said una need to come out here now.
Junior, you should call first.
Keisha and Marie, Elizabeth and Kevin Desmond Smith Jr.
Una not hear me say if you come out here now.
No, make me come and get on in now. If me lick on in here on a stammer, then pick me a one if you see myself, you know.
Una take me for Frankie. Imagine me left gonna work whole day. I only in here turn the place upside it down and I play this loud boogie yaga music. I don't know how much time we tell you to keep the place clean when we not there. Una think I had and goat living here? Una ears hard like thick broken there. I walk on a walk on the ears. Me tired for telling us stop got people here like una have no abiding city. I must over let Shisha on go see place clip like a hog style and I try carry them the style come in a film house. Looking at me face good. Me favor hog. Me tell una say friend and company will lead una astray. How are you this to Keisha? I can't kiss your teeth. Papa Jesus. Una see me dying trials in ya? See ya lad. Ya turn woman in ya for me. You sleeping around good pen last night. Mind me have to wash out your mouth with the cake soap, you know. Pick me. I will lick this slime out of you. As a matter of fact, go for the belt and try nobody can fenke one come. Who can hear must feel.
No, mommy.
When the crocodile tears and the bell doesn't touch you yet. I was sweet you, eh? Well, was sweet now the goat I go running belly. Come here to me, boy. Get up. We are cry for. Eh? You want to hear something to cry for? Let go the bell. Let go the bell. Why if I make the bell, lick me in ya? I'm going to give you enough more lick on top of this. You feel big. Your ears too hard. Now come clean up this mess. Then you can go and go bait so you can favor somebody picnic. You sit down in your dirty like a bus. Hey, stop swell up your face like bullfrog. Then pick me and test me faith in there, you know. Thank God school start back tomorrow. So the free papers burn. Just wait till the father come home. Then you go see which part water walk pumpkin belly. Why hello there, Mr. Wallister. What can I do for you again?
Good look for your eye. Change your eye and forward. Quick.